This is Matt, and this will be a quick, straightforward video on how to find out how many days until a day online. So whatever you need this for, whether you're working out, the days until someone's birthday or some kind of holiday, vacation you've got planned or whatever it is, you can use this right here. I like to use this one, thecalculatorsite.com/time/daysuntil.php. It's quite a long URL and wildy, so I'll put that in the video description. So you can just click on that link and you will wind up here. So once you're here, we can do days until, we can do days from, and we can do days between dates. So 3 different things. This is the one that we want for this particular video that we're making right here. So first of all, you can select an event if you're looking to just find out how far away Easter Sunday is, Thanksgiving in Canada or the US, Halloween, Christmas, and New Year's Eve. They've got those there. You can just select those and it will immediately change the date there, or we can just scrap that and put our own dates in here. So this is actually today's date right here. You can obviously select your own date. So let's say we were looking at it from the 14th of January 2026, and then the end date would be, we can just change through the months here. You can do the drop down as well. Let's just say randomly the 26th of June this year, 2026. You can name the event. You can include all days, so that will count both of the actual start and end dates, or you can include the end date as well by actually selecting that one. Up to you. The result is just slightly different, as we'll see in a minute. We click calculate, this green button. So then we've got our days right here, and we find out that that is in fact 163 days. So we can copy that and put that into our document or whatever we need it for, social media or whatever you are doing this for. We also have the calculation in months, so 5 months and 12 days. Or in weeks, it's 23 weeks and 2 days. So it will calculate in 3 different ways. Very, very helpful. Like I say, we can do days from and days between, as well as days until. But that was a very short video on how to calculate how many days in between 2 different dates online. I recommend that you bookmark this page if you need to do these kind of calculations regularly, wherever you are in the world, whether you're on your cell phone, mobile, tablet, desktop like I am right here. Doesn't matter, this page is always here for you, super helpful. And yeah, hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.